Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on a DIY Sumba candle holder. Here's an example of my inspiration of the candle holder, and I believe that the origin of this statue or candle holder actually comes from Indonesia, but when I saw the cowrie shells on it, of course I couldn't resist an opportunity to try to create one of my own. So for this project, I'm using a box that I got from the DollarTree, and you probably have seen them before, but they're the type of box that actually has two boxes in one, and it usually has a decorative hole in the side of one of the boxes. So I thought that would be ideal for this project. So I'm taking a glass candle holder that I had from another project, and I'm going to be tracing it around the hole so I can make sure it's the good size for this glass candle holder, so that way I can insert it in to the top. And so I'm going to be using my Xacto knife, as you see here, to pretty much cut out the bigger circle, and then gluing a side square to the hole of it, so that way it looks like a complete box. Now that the smaller square has dried, I'm going to be using wood glue to glue it down to the bigger square, which it originally came with. So here I'm using circle wood pieces that I got from the craft store, as well as a square wood piece that you'll see later. And I'm using that to pretty much glue or create a face for the front of the candle holder. This next step is optional. I'm using white spray paint as a base, so that way the textured spray paint that I will use later would stick or show up better on the candle holder. As you can see here, the spray paint kind of bubbled, and that has more to do with user error, my error more so than the spray paint itself. But I'm not really worried about it because I know I'm going to be covering it up with cowrie shells.